this morning, back at it again with another vlog. Well, I lied. Back still killing me. I ain't gonna work. Bought a fan from Audi yesterday, and it's missing a piece, so we're gonna go take that back. Hopefully, it just got another one, or just give us that piece or something. It works pretty good. Ronnie's still sleeping. He taking advantage of summertime. All right.
We were playing Super Mario 3D World. 3. I keep getting them confused. Super Mario Maker 2. We're going up to get a snack now.
I got a package.
I'm gonna steal it from. I'm gonna steal it, Big Mario.
It's my package.
Huh?
Don't touch my package. My package. You steal my package.
Here you go. Psych! You're done.
Give my package.
What is it? Video game parts? What is it?
My joystick from my DS that you broke. What I got? Yeah. The little joystick thing broke. Yes, I got it. So I'm gonna try to take this apart. Fix it. Got the back off. 2 little screws. Got the battery out. Oh, I see some more screws. Yeah, and they're gonna make these any smaller. Do I look bent? Get the way just all these screws out. With these little things right there. Oh, this. What I gotta change out. I guess I gotta change the whole thing just to change that. Alright. I hope it's the same. They just pop right off. Now I'm gonna change this thing. And they're all different size screws and whoa. Wow. Now I gotta get that off of there. Or you can see right there where it's broken. I gotta get that off somehow. I don't think this thing is actually bad. Just that thing broke off, so I took this off. And that's this. So I'm hoping I can just pop that on and put it back together without taking it all apart. I'll try that first. In there. And I don't think nothing's wrong with this, so I could just pop it back in. I cheat a little bit. And then I'll just keep this for a spare or whatever. These 2 pieces fell out when I was trying it out, so I don't have no idea where they go or what they even do. Almost look like a lanyard. Maybe. Oh, I see where they go. Yep. And that way you put a lanyard or whatever they want. Man, that should have worked for Nintendo. There we go. Now let me put this back together. Whoop. Try to get this one back. Almost done. I'm just gonna put this in here, try it out before I put it all the way there. My lanyard things. That's nasty. Dirt around here, I guess. Better. Now let me just try this out. Moment of truth. probably do this one, huh? Nice. That been bothering me. Really? There we go. I got scared. There it is. Yeah. Start. Go. Just try anyway. Come on. Oh my god. Oops. Well, at least that button worked. Gas work. Nice. Now I'm gonna put all these screws back. Okay, these, I've got one. These things go on here. I know they go in there because I took a while there. Oh my god. There it is. Pop this back in. That's it. Pen. Stylus. Good to go. Yeah, what? What want me to do?
I want you to like and subscribe and just comment down below. Yeah, boy, see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
Love you. Yeah.